I'm very nervous, very excited. I wish Dino, Zef, the Ross International and Arif, captain of the ship, and of course Diksha, Arman, the very best.
I'm playing a character named Mahesh. Yes, like you said, it's my debut in Bollywood. Super excited to be here tonight. I didn't realize it would be so nerve-wracking, and so far the film has been getting good reviews, so hoping for the best.
I haven't seen the film. I'm going to go see it now. I'm excited to see it. Looking forward to it.
Yes, I'm very happy for Arman's launch because Reema and Manoj are very close family friends. And I've seen Arman when he was so small, then so small, then so small. Yes, of course, the parents are always nervous. The makers are always nervous because they are launching the son and the children. So I wish them all the very best, Arman and Dikshi.
Best wishes for the film and the best wishes for Arman and Diksha. I wish them all the good luck. My prayers that this picture should become a big hit and they become big stars.
It's a super feeling.
Any advice from the theatre veterans to the upcoming star?
Work hard and be true to your work.
And I have seen the promo of this young man. There is a scene where he loses temper on the girlfriend and she is fighting with him. And that little promo can tell that we have found one more very competent actor.
We've been getting really positive feedback and I hope that people like the movie. I hope that the amount we invested in the movie, logo ko pasand aaye. So that's what we wish for. Yeah, a lot of people have seen the movie, a lot of the critics have seen the movie and the reviews touchwood have been very positive. So inshallah aise reviews agar aate rahe to we'll be really happy.
I am really overwhelmed. I thank the whole team because it's a very young movie and it's about relationships and I think it's a simple and nice movie. It's very emotional and so it's great to be involved in a young movie after doing all this epic stuff.
I haven't seen the movie. I'm vastly excited to see it. All of us are here. Me and my mom are here. So this is for us a family experience. Watching Arman is a member of our home and house and heart. And watching him unfold on celluloid is a very emotional moment for us, a proud moment for us. And I'm so glad that he was given this wonderful platform. I think there's so many interesting minds on this film. And more importantly, I think it's a film that has a heart itself. So we're very excited. I'm vastly excited to see the film because for me it's like watching like a child of yours come alive on celluloid. So I'm really proud.
When I was shooting for Finding Fanny, Dino had shown me Khalifa and I loved it. I loved the song. It's my favorite song in the album. And Arman ironically was shooting in Goa when we were shooting for Finding Fanny. So it's nice. We've grown up in the same household, literally. It feels nice, it feels surreal. It's nice to be here to cheer for him and support for him and Dinu and Diksha and Arif and the whole crew. And Lakshman Uttakar, who's the DOP of Tevar as well. So it feels really nice to be here.
Fortunately, everything's been very positive, negative and positive, but a lot of positives. So it's a really good feeling, especially as newcomers to get positive feedback. I feel it's motivating and I'm very excited to be here. But I'm equally nervous, a tad bit, and yeah, it's a good feeling.
हमको advice देंगे, but I guess just work hard. Film चले या ना चले, as long as you do your best, you have an individuality, quality about yourself, and you just work hard. You're good to your work, towards your work. Your intentions are correct. I think that's the only advice I can give. It's a big moment for every actor. जब उनकी पहली फिल्म बाहर आती है.
Arman especially because it's his first film ever. So all the best. I hope this film is a big hit and I hope they become very big stars.
It's fantastic. I'm really looking forward to the film. The film has, this sort of young freshness about it. So I'm really excited to see the film and I'm sure it's going to be fantastic. Though we are here for this amazing film, but Hum Shakals is very much my film. मैं अभी भी Hum Shakals के साथ हूँ and I'm not going to disown it. I'm very happy and very proud that I did the film and I think Sajid did his best. मेरा तो ज़माने से लेना देना ही नहीं यारा गुस्ताखी माँ इतना है मालूम जिस पे भी तुम साथ हो बस इतना ही मालूम यकीन है वही है मेरी
Yeah, very excited. In fact, very looking forward to the boys'
performance. He's looking very promising already, and being a Kapoor, so he has a lot of potential, and I wish him all the very best, and especially his family. Reema is a very close friend, his mother, and I wish her all the very best. I hope the boy does very well.
He feels very good and very proud of Arman, and I wish him grand success and to take the legacy ahead. And God bless him, and I'm sure he will do a very good job, and he's done a good job. God bless.
I wish Arman all the best. I've seen the film and he's good. And मेरा बेटा है, so I wish him all the best.
I want to say that it's been a privilege to work with them. They have behaved themselves very properly. I was a first timer and they made my job very easy. Okay, they have both deserved to be there. They're lovely people, more than actors and all. We've really bonded.